Driver dies in fiery St. James crash. Woman gunned down in Westmoreland, man injured. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in Montego Bay, St. James are investigating a fiery motor vehicle crash that claimed the life of the driver on the Long Hill Main Road in St. James on Saturday evening. The identity of the deceased has not been released by the police. Reports from the Montego Bay Police are that about 6:56 p.m., a Nissan Pulsar motor car was being driven from the direction of Anchovy, heading towards Reading, when the driver lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a retaining wall. The vehicle reportedly burst into flames on impact. The police and fire department were contacted. Following cooling down operation, the charred remains were taken from the rumble. Investigations are ongoing. Detectives assigned to the Westmoreland Criminal Investigations Branch have commenced a probe into Saturday night's shooting death of a woman and the injury of a man in Brighton District, Little London, in the parish. The deceased has been identified as 44-year-old Michelle Bremer Reed of Brighton District. Reports from the Savannah Lamar police are that about 9:30 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. On the arrival of the lawmen, Bremer Reed was seen lying face down on the road with gunshot wounds. She was pronounced dead at hospital. The injured man was assisted to hospital by residents where he was admitted for treatment.